From Silicon Valley to Shanghai and everywhere in between, innovation is happening no matter where we turn. Here's a snapshot of some exciting new technologies in development around the world. We start our tour in South Korea for a technological take on physiotherapy. A company called Neofect has designed a robotic glove that helps patients regain their fine motor skills after a stroke. The glove contains tiny sensors that detect even slight movements in their hand and offer instant feedback on their performance. The glove pairs with a mobile app that uses games to keep users engaged with their exercises over time. The games are based on real-world tasks such as cooking a meal, wiping a counter, and turning a page. This helps patients rebuild their nerve functions that they'll need in their everyday life while helping them track their road to recovery. Most importantly, the Neofect Smart Glove enables patients to exercise without a physiotherapist present. Those added workouts can make an incredible difference in recovery time and success. Our next destination is Utah, where one drone is showing off some serious lassoing skills. This hulking craft is dubbed the DroneHunter. Its mission is to capture rogue drones that enter restricted airspace. When a surveillance system detects an intruder buzzing around, the DroneHunter autonomously launches into action. It tracks the drone for a short time, giving it a chance to leave the area. If it refuses to go, the DroneHunter fires out a giant net that safely disables the drone and tows it to a designated spot. There, the captured drone and its tracked flight path can be analyzed. With drones now being used for corporate espionage and unwanted surveillance, DroneHunter serves as a security guard in the sky. Our last stop is in beautiful Paris, France for a new approach to getting some shut-eye. This is the Dreem, a headband that measures our brainwaves, heartbeat, and movement while we sleep. It uses 5 small sensors on the front and 2 on the back to capture precise readings throughout the night. This information is sent to a smartphone app where users can understand the quality of their sleep and make adjustments as needed. The Dreem is made of flexible plastic and lined with soft foam, so even fussy sleepers will find it comfortable to wear. It also contains bone-conducting speakers, so the wearer can listen to music or meditation tracks without disturbing the person beside them. It's like having your very own sleep clinic all in and on your head. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.